meditation on the breath, the body, and choiceless awareness. Just allow yourself to just settle in your chosen sitting position. If you're sitting in a chair, ensuring that you're sitting an inch or two away from the back of the chair so that your body is just invited to sit upright, dignified, but without effort. Just an intention to be alert. And just notice those familiar contact points with the floor, the cushion, or the chair beneath you. No matter how many times you've done this before, come to them afresh and new, because they are different each time. So just drop in to feel the physical sensations. The hips and the buttocks, the legs, the ankles, the feet. Maybe noticing too where your hands are and just investigating just how your hands feel in this moment. Weight, tingling, throbbing, temperature, pressure or touch, just seeing whatever is there. Then just let them go. And notice that we are breathing. You're tuning in to that familiar movement, the expansion and contraction that you can feel in your torso, maybe even down in your belly area. Choosing to zoom in and feel all the little details of a full in-breath and a full out-breath. Just over and over again, each breath unique, each breath afresh. As we sit here too, maybe noticing that there are other physical sensations we could be aware of. So expanding out your attention to take in the rest of the body. What do you notice? Pressure, temperature. Are there areas of stiffness? Do you find any areas of discomfort? Perhaps you could breathe into those areas, imagining that they inflate with the in-breath and they shrink down with the out-breath. If any discomfort persists, that might be a signal for you to change your position. Otherwise, just explore, noticing with each new moment, perhaps something you haven't noticed before. too, we could also attend to the sounds that we could hear. They too are part of our experience. So just open up your hearing. Really just invite every sound that's out there to be heard. And it might be that we find that some sounds we have a preference for, maybe some sounds we don't like. But the practice is to attempt to suspend that judgment and just look at the qualities of each sound. Really welcome them so that you can really see them clearly. You can hear the pitch, the volume, how they change or how they stay the same. Is there a sense of their distance away from you? Be curious. All sounds have an equal importance. It's only our own preferences that label sounds as more important or less, nice or not nice. As we sit here, there are other senses that we could pay attention to. Even behind closed eyelids, there may be a sense of images or colour or patterns. Even with eyes closed, our eyes are still feeding us information. See what's there, if anything. Again with a curiosity. As we sit here too, other things that we may sense are our own thoughts and our own feelings. It may be that as we sit, thoughts, which could be images or sounds, conversation, little moving pictures in our heads, or feelings, feeling or emotion, maybe with an attendant change in the body, change in our breath, the quality of the muscles in our face or neck or back. Any of these might arise. And the practice is simply to just notice if they do. Not having to do anything with them. Not having to change them, push them away, have a liking or disliking, but just observe, see what arises in this moment. Because it is already part of your experience. It's already part of your life. So maybe just allow yourself to say, it's already here. Let me see it. Let me hear it. Let me feel it. as we continue to sit here, just for the next few minutes, open ourselves up to notice everything that we can notice as it arises. This choiceless awareness of physical sensations, of sounds, of images, of thoughts or feelings. Just resting in this intention to just notice it all without having to react, to do anything with it, but just to see the moment by momentness of our experience. If your mind wanders or you get caught in thoughts, then notice that. That is also your experience. Notice and come back to just watching, noticing. Now, bring your attention back to the body. Feel the whole of your body. The whole of your presence, your physical presence, just the sum of all those physical sensations that you can feel. Back down even further to the breathing. Noticing the quality of your breath. And then from here, just open your eyes.